Today we're going to go over how to add a salutation or footer to your email by default. We're going to do that for Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo Mail, and AOL. There will be chapters on the video, so feel free to skip around to the specific mailing service that you're using. Before we get to each of those, we're going to set up a signature that we'll just copy paste into those different sections. You can see an outline here where we have a salutation, name, company, and contact info. First, you want to enter to get a white space above your signature. That way, when you're creating new mail, you won't have to hit the enter button every time to get some space in there. The next tip is to have a friendly salutation included. So we're going to put thanks. This way, when you send emails, the recipient will be very appreciative of your email, and they'll be like, oh, this person is very kind. And then if you're ever upset with the person you're sending an email to, you can always remove the thanks manually, and then they'll kind of get that passive aggressiveness and be like, oh, they're not very thankful for this email they sent me today. The next we'll do name, and then the company, and then the last piece is contact information. For us, we're just going to put in a link to the YouTube channel. To add the link, we'll first have to grab it. So we're going to go into the Developer Toolkit YouTube channel, and you can see that we currently have 23 subscribers. So feel free to hit that subscribe button and see how high you can make this count go. And so back here, when you have the link copied, we're going to go in, highlight the text that you want to make the link, and hit this little insert link button on the bottom near the send. Paste it, and hit OK. You can also do a bunch of customizations here with the font. For now, we're going to just make it on the smaller side, but feel free to go ahead and have fun changing that. Just don't make it too crazy. Copy the signature now, and we'll go ahead and go to each of the different services to get it added in. Okay, so for Gmail, there's this gear icon in the top right. So we're going to hit that settings, and then you'll see all settings. And then in the general tab, we're going to scroll down to close to the bottom, and you'll see a signature section. And so you'll see that it's 1, 2, 3, it's like 4 sections up from the bottom, just in case you're having a little trouble finding that. You'll hit create new, hit default, then you just paste in what you had copied before here. The next thing you'll see is signature defaults right below that section, where it'll automatically add on your signature that you specify. So you can create multiple if you want, and then here below you'll just check the one that you want to appear when you're creating new emails or replying, forwarding emails. Piece here is inserting the signature before quoted text and replies, and remove the dash line places. And this is kind of just preference on where you'd want the signature to show up, whether or not it's above the reply or below the reply. After you have all that set up, scroll to the bottom, and you're going to hit the save changes. After that's done, you're going to hit compose, and then you'll see that that signature is in place down below. For Outlook, as you can see in the top right, there's this gear icon again, and then you'll be in the mail settings, and then you want to go to the compose and reply here. Then it's going to have a email signature section where you'll have the name, so you put in default again, and you can just paste in what we had prior here. And then after you have that set, you're going to hit new signature. If you scroll down, you'll have a similar drop down as Gmail, where you'll want to choose that default that you have selected. Once you have that in place here, you're just going to hit save, and then we're going to X out of there, and then hit new mail. You'll see again down below we have that signature in place. For Yahoo Mail, you'll see on the bottom left, the more, hit mail settings. It'll open a new tab where you'll see the writing email on the left side, so we're going to hit that. Then in this section here, you'll see a signature in bold with a little toggle. So we're going to hit that toggle, and then again we're just going to paste in what we had previously. And for this one on Yahoo, it autosave. If you go back to the mail, you're going to have to refresh the page for it to take effect, but once you do that, if you hit new message, you'll see again on the bottom the signature appears. Okay, so last one for AOL Mail. What we're going to do here is on the right side, you'll see the gear icon again. Hit more settings, you'll hit writing email. And so this one's similar to Yahoo, where you'll have the signature, and you'll just paste it in. Go back to inbox, when we hit compose, you'll see again that the signature is in place. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.